Hey there. So today we are in Elmendorf, Texas, about 25 minutes from downtown San Antonio. And directly behind me is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom house that is under $400,000. So let's tour it. Okay, so directly across the street, we do have dirt lots. So just wanted to point that out because we are in a new construction community. But the home does have 3-car garage, and the front of it is brick along with a few boards above the garage. I'm gonna just check out the sides of the house because we are on a 1/4-acre lot, so we have plenty of space between the two homes. We're gonna check out the landscaping. It does have the fresh sod, and this home does have an irrigation system as well. So the clearance on this side is very spacious as well. So we're gonna go in, tour the first floor, and then hit the second floor. So on the first floor, I will tell you that there are 2 bedrooms. So you will get 2 bedrooms on the first floor, and then on the second floor are the remainder bedrooms. Okay, so as we enter into the home, we do have the luxury vinyl flooring, and it does lead into the kitchen area, but we're gonna go ahead and check out the foyer, and right off of that main door, we are met with our first bedroom. So inside the bedroom, it does face the street. This can be converted into an office if need be. And we do have the closet. And we do have the carpet in this room. And right off of the bedroom, we have our first bathroom. And we have tile for that flooring. And we do have an extra closet. So this can be utilized as your coat closet. Okay, and we are going to go tour the garage before we finish the first floor tour. So we do have the 3-car garage, and we do have the garage door openers already installed. And this home is pre-looped for a water softener, and the water is hard, so I definitely would recommend getting that installed after you move into your new home. Hot water heater, and there's actually, so if we go from the edge and look, we have the full 3-car, but we also have little area up front if you wanted to use it to put racks or store things, then it would definitely fit comfortably right there. Okay, so right across the hall from the garage is the laundry room area. So it does have the shelving above, and it's pretty spacious. And we have our open concept with our living area and our dining area off to this area, and then we have our kitchen and the stairs. So we're gonna look at the kitchen and the island. It does have an extension, so you can put about maybe 3 chairs, and it also has an outlet. The sink is a double sink, and you have a water system right here. So the backsplash is white tile with the white cabinets, and this is the gas range with the microwave above. And we have a dishwasher and a GE refrigerator. Okay, and we have this area right here that you can use as your coffee bar and the pantry. Okay, so now we are about to go outside and look at this backyard and see how big this 1/4 acre lot is. Okay, so right as you enter outside, we do have a covered patio with the ceiling fan. So as you can see, this backyard is massive. And the grass is growing in beautifully. We've been having a lot of rain, so it's really been helping our grass. So if you are relocating, even if it's just across town, or let me show you this little guy right here. Hopefully you can see him. Maybe not, but it's a big grasshopper. But yeah, if you're relocating to the San Antonio area or greater San Antonio area, I would like to invite you to check out my relocations guide. It will be in the description below. Even if you're just moving from across town, there's some helpful information in there that hopefully you can find useful. And we have the primary bedroom that is on the first floor. It does have the bay windows, and we have the ceiling fan. And right off of it is our bathroom. So as we enter into the bathroom, we do have this extra space right here that you can put extra storage cabinet right there, maybe do like a vanity area right there. So it's an open space that could be used, even enclose it and you can make it an extra closet. So right along the next area, we have the toilet, and it does come with a wall. It doesn't have a door, but there is a wall that separates. And we have our double vanity. And now we're about to enter into the primary closet. So we have the built-in shelving on top, and it is carpeted. So right up under the stairs, we have extra storage space. So that's a plus. So as we go up to the second floor, I wanted to point out that this community will have an on-site elementary school, and it will be a STEM academy as well. So that will be opening up on August of 2026, and there will also be a new HEB that will be opening around the end of 2026. So you definitely will be able to be around a lot of shopping and grocery stores, even though we're far out and it's kind of like a country vibe. You definitely are close enough to everything that you need. So we have a closet right off of the loft area, and it's actually pretty spacious lot. And then, so we toured the 2 bedrooms downstairs. Now we have 3 up here along with a bathroom. So this room is actually pretty big. You can definitely fit a king size bed in here comfortably. And we have our walk-in closet. And this home is currently available now. If I didn't add that, and yeah, it's move-in ready. So if you are interested in touring it, then reach out to me. My details will be in the description below. Okay, so this is our 3rd bathroom. And now we have our last 2 bedrooms. So, and all the bedrooms on this second floor are massive. They all can fit a king size bed comfortably. This walk-in closet does have a window. And then we have the final 5th bedroom. Again, a king size will definitely fit comfortably in here. So there we go. And this one is a walk-in closet as well. Thank you for watching. I can be reached at 830-369-1776 if you have any questions about this home or relocating to the greater San Antonio area. Thank you for watching.